Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss about what are the Python conditional statements. So we all know conditional statements are used to execute different code blocks based on certain conditions. So there are different types of conditional statements in Python. So you can see here there is if statement, if else, if-elif-else, and conditional ternary operator. It can also called as conditional expressions. So we'll see all these examples in the following video. So let's try to learn what is if statement. So just imagine if you want to print something if x equal to 10. So let's say if there is a number x equal to 10 and you want to create a conditional statement in Python in such a way that if this variable is equal to 10, then you want to print something. How do you do that in Python? Using if statement. Simple. If x equal to 10, then I want to print the number is 10. So it's as simple as that. So if x is 10, I printed number is 10. If there is a condition, if you want to check the way x is greater than 10, then you want to print the number is greater than 10. So if I run this, it won't show anything because x is obviously not greater than 10. It is equal to 10, so this won't print. So this is simple if statement. Now there will be cases where you want to do something else if this condition doesn't match in the if. So if there is a situation you want to print even or odd number, let's say x equal to 3, and you want to see if x is even or odd. How do you build that statement in Python? If x divided by 2 equal to 0, then print x is even. Else is a statement. This is an if-else statement. What do you want to do else? You want to print x is not even or x is odd. So this is if-else statement. If I run this, you can see x is odd because x is obviously odd. If you do this one and change x to 4 and run it, then you can see x is even. So x is even, right? So this is one kind of a if-else statement, and there is also called as if-elif-else statement. So how do you create that? I'll comment this out. Let's imagine if you want to build a grading system. So I want to build a grading system where grade, if grade is greater than 90, I want to return grade A, and if grade is greater than or equal to 80, I want to return grade B, and if grade is greater than equal to 70, I want to return C, and if grade is less than 70, then I want to say return grade is less than 70, I want to return fail. So these are the grades. So this is a grading system, and I want to build this kind of system in a Python. What you can do, you can simply use if-elif-else statement, which is if grade greater than equal to 90, I want to print A. Elif if grade greater than equal to 80, I want to print B. Elif again I want to print C. Else if grade is less than 70, which means which is not greater than 90, not greater than 80, not greater than 70, for remaining everything I want to return fail. So this is a simple grading system, but first you need to give a grade, right? So you can take the input of the grade, or you can just declare for the demo purposes you can just do this one. So 75, if I give a 75, what do you imagine the grade will be? Let's check out. So the grade is C, which is greater than 70 and which is less than 80, right? So the grade will be C. What if I make this as 90? Now the grade will be A. This is if-elif-else statement. So this is as simple as that. Now there'll be also ternary operator. So you can see there'll be situations you want to do conditional statement in a single line instead of doing if-else like this. So in that cases you can use ternary operators. I'll just comment this out. So you can simply do that by doing this. I want to create a expression which checks for even or odd. So this is even, variable is even. I want to return true if a number is if number divided by 2 equal to 0, else I want to return false. So this is a variable and this is a condition in a single line. Now I will print it. Yeah, same, you can do the same. Even if is even, else odd. So as you can see, I've did a if-else statement in a single line and I've assigned it to a variable. Now I'll give what is a number is 4, and I run it. You can see it printed even because number is even. So this is a conditional expression which in a single line, and we have covered various scenarios where conditional statements are commonly used, but you can modify and expand them based on your specific requirements. And these are the basic conditional